I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to never get bored in Minecraft. To keep things fresh, start by exploring uncharted territories. Discovering new biomes like lush caves or ancient cities offers unique resources and challenges. Setting ambitious building goals, such as constructing a colossal fortress or an entire city, provides long-term engagement. Also, consider experimenting with different playstyles, like hardcore mode for an intense survival experience or speedrunning, to test your efficiency. Dive into the technical side by mastering Redstone. Automating farms, creating complex contraptions, or designing elaborate defenses can provide countless hours of problem-solving fun. You could also challenge your creativity by building intricate minigames or challenging parkour courses for others to enjoy. For completionists, a massive goal is to collect every single unique item, block, and mob variant available in the game. Connecting with the Minecraft community can revitalize your experience. Join a multiplayer server to collaborate on grand projects or engage in friendly competition. Exploring custom mod packs can completely transform the game, introducing new dimensions, creatures, and mechanics that offer hundreds of hours of fresh content. Additionally, participating in community-driven events or build challenges can spark new ideas and provide a sense of shared accomplishment. Setting personal goals, like achieving all in-game advancements or hidden achievements, provides clear objectives and a sense of progression. To visually refresh your world, experiment with various texture packs and shaders. They can dramatically alter the game's aesthetic. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks, so consider upgrading your gear. Check the description for a link to some great socks and other deals to enhance your gaming setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.